What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to be learning about the Tradingview basics. So this is going to be really awesome if you are a beginner to the Tradingview platform, as we're going to be going over all of those tools. So let's get right into this. So, tradingview.com. I love this website. I've been using it pretty much ever since I got into trading crypto. It's a really simple platform, and I'll give you guys a few tips on how to actually use this. So you're going to want to watch through this whole video. And if you've never used this platform and you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button for me as well. So the best thing that you can do is just go over to tradingview.com, and at the very top of your screen here, you'll see where you can type in the different charts. You can also log in. You can get set up with a free trial at the start. And basically what you want to do is type in like Litecoin USD or Bitcoin USD, and it'll bring up all the different charts. You can actually look at stock charts on here as well. So I just removed that. You'll see Apple, Tesla, all of the Nvidia, Netflix, all these different stocks are on TradingView also. But what I like to do is pretty much mainly do analysis on crypto. So we'll go over here to the Litecoin USD chart. And as you guys can see at the top of the screen, we have the actual name of the coin that we're looking at, or the stock that you're looking at. And just to the right of that, you get the time frame that you're in. So the time frame means the size of each candle. Now, when you guys are first on TradingView, the candlestick colors might be a little bit different than mine. You can just double click on these candlesticks and it'll pop up. You can adjust all of the different colors of the different candlesticks very easily there. Now, what I really like to do is the toolbar over here on the left-hand side for all of my analysis. So we use stuff like trend lines to find resistance points. And we also use trend lines to find support points. You can see this is a falling wedge pattern, and we drew that with two trend lines. We can also use the different tools over here on the left, like the Fibonacci retracement, going from the low up to the high. My fib tool is going to look a little bit different than you guys too. You can double click on that and customize all of the settings right here. I also really like to use the Elliott wave tool. So that's over here on the left hand side. You guys can see we start to count the Elliott wave impulses for Litecoin. And I really use one main indicator, but sometimes I'll throw a couple others on there as well. So the indicators are on the top of the screen here. So you just drop down the menu, indicators, and then you can add the different indicators in here, like the RSI, relative strength index, and you'll see it drop down in this bottom section here. That's the RSI. I'm going to go ahead and remove it because the only one I really like to do is the MACD. You can also adjust the settings of how this looks and make minor adjustments or big adjustments to the inputs of each indicator that you're applying as well. When you actually take positions, you can use the long and short position over here, where you can just drop down this trading plan tool wherever your entry was, and then you can set your stop loss below and your target above. So that would be a long position because the green is on the top and the red is on the bottom, meaning that you're betting on the market going up. But you could also use a short position tool right here and set your stop loss on the top, betting that the market will go down. So those are really useful for when you're making your trading plans. You can take screenshots of these, save them in a Google document whenever you take a trade, or in your Excel sheet whenever you take a trade, or you can go ahead and publish it as a private chart if you're logged into TradingView, and you will be able to come back later, press play on that chart, and see how well your trading plan worked. There's also icons over here on the left hand side where you can go ahead and put selling points or entries on the chart wherever you got in or out, or if you just really want to demonstrate something with all the different icons, you can do that as well. Another thing that I wanted to mention for you guys is if you do not have a little bit of money to put into TradingView right now and actually buy it, it can get a little bit annoying with all the pop-ups that show up. So another alternative would be to use coinsignals.trade, or they actually changed their URL now to charts.cointrader.pro. I'll drop this in the description box. But you guys, this is exactly like Tradingview. It pulls all of the data from coinmarketcap.com. So you do have to be aware that it's not going to get into the smaller time frames. Like with Tradingview, you can drop into the 1-minute candlesticks and see all of the price action that's happened in these really small time frames. Where with coin.chartstrader.pro, it's kind of hard to say, you can drop down into the 15-minute is the lowest that you get. But as long as you're only trading the bigger time frames, which is what I recommend anyways, this will work fine and you don't have to deal with the pop-ups. And if you guys want to learn a little bit more about the Tradingview platform, I do have a course on Tradingview with 7 videos. It's a really nice watch. It only takes you a couple evenings to get through all the different videos, and it goes over these things in detail for you, teaches you how to do alerts and all of that good stuff as well. We're still doing one more day on the VIP spring sale, so we're going to go ahead and drop a discount for the Tradingview course in the description box as well. And last but not least, before I go, I just wanted to do a quick analysis on the total market cap because we did get a little bit of a rejection candle off our major resistance zone. So we kind of got to watch over the next day or so to see if our uptrending support holds. If we drop time frames right here, we can just draw a nice uptrending line. We want this line to hold pretty good, and that would be a good sign that there's going to be strength coming back into the market if this trending line holds, and that Bitcoin would continue to push higher. I don't really see a ton of bearish action in the candlesticks here with Bitcoin, so it would be an early signal if the market cap fails right here that Bitcoin might drop as well. But right now I'm still bullish and have no reason to jump the gun on the bearish move unless we get that support failure of this upward trending line on the 4-hour time frame. So I just wanted to let you guys know that is what's going on with the market cap. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to use the comment box below. Hit that like button. Follow me on social media in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. As always, stay profitable out there.